Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab and welcome. And Smudge is laying right here, so if you might, there he goes, yay, okay. All right, I tried to get him to move and he wouldn't move. So he did on his own, that's good. Anyway, I've got a bunch of things to talk to y'all about too this evening. And so that is what my Friday Night Gab is I gab about the week with y'all. And this is not live, just so you know, this is not live. It's Good Friday, so I didn't think it was appropriate to go live on Good Friday. So I do want to wish everybody a very happy Passover and happy Easter. I think Passover, I don't really know which day it was, but it was maybe yesterday or the day before of this week. And then it's Easter on Sunday, and today is Good Friday. So I do want to wish everybody a very good holiday, okay? And let's see, I've got a lot to talk to y'all about. First and foremost is I'm just overly ecstatic. Can you tell? I'm just so ecstatic. I can't even believe it that this has happened to me. And I just think it's phenomenal. I'm so excited, y'all, that I finally got a beauty box on my channel that is PR. Now, I shouldn't say it that way, that I finally got, but I feel some recognition, I guess, if you want to call it. I got a beauty box, y'all. I got a beauty box, and it's being sent to me PR. I'm not having to pay for it. I pay for all my boxes, y'all. There are a couple that I get free for review, but not beauty boxes. So this I'm excited about. Now, a lot of people have been complaining about this company because they got very far behind on shipping. This is shipped from Canada. And it is a bi-monthly box, so it comes out every other month. So the box that I had this week, I'll put the video in the description if you didn't see it. It's the March-April box, and we did get it at the very beginning of April. So please give them a break. My understanding is they just had a lot of trouble. They've been behind for 5 or 6 months, but they're all caught up now, is what people are saying. So they should be back on schedule. And so the June box, I'm assuming will be around the beginning of June is when I'll get it. So I'm excited about that, y'all. I'm just excited. So, and it's from Canada, so that's something different. So it's just an adorable box, and there actually was a palette that was too big to fit in here, so this was in a pink mailer. So I'm just happy about that. So please go see that video. Like I said, I'll put it in the description for you to find it if you haven't seen it already. This has been a very stressful week for me, y'all. How about y'all? Very stressful. The beginning of the month, the end of the month, beginning of the month is always very stressful for me. So, and then life happens too. So I've had some sick people in my life, and that's very difficult. And I just, rely heavily on my faith. So that's what gets me through. I hope that you have something that helps get you through. I hope that you have a strong faith. And if that's your thing, I know that a lot of people, it isn't their thing. That I wish you the very best for getting by when things are rough, because I don't know how you do it without faith. And I probably shouldn't have said that either. Anyway, let's keep going. This past Monday was the choice for what used to be Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and now it's going to be the Boxy Base. So the Boxy Base and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus merged. And I got both of those boxes. So now I'll be getting just one box. And it's very similar to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. In fact, it's the same exact thing. And what they do is they pick 2 things for you, and then you get to pick 3 things. And they show you 5 or 6 things, and you pick 1 out of them. And that's how you get your 3 items. So if you want 2 in one section, you can't have it. You can just get 1 in each section. And starting with April, the 2 choices that they give you are supposed to be power players. So one I feel is a power player. The other one, not so much, but when I get it, I'll talk to you more about it. I did get a couple of add-ons, y'all. So it may take a while for me to actually get my box. The box that they're showing is an Ipsy box, even though they're calling it Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I don't know if they're just getting rid of boxes, because they have to get rid of Boxy stuff and Ipsy stuff. And then if they're going to create a new box somewhere along the line. So far, I don't think that they've shown us that. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll see, you know, what's going on. And then Monday coming up is supposed to be the drop shop. And someone told me that it's the mega drop shop. And I want to say I even saw that somewhere. Did I see that somewhere? But the mega drop shop, if it was still boxy, wouldn't happen until May. So maybe it's just the drop shop. I'm not real sure. So we'll find out on Monday. So what's happening right now is the Ipsy website still looks like Ipsy. Although it talks about boxy and it tells you about boxy in there. The sales that they have now, that they've been having, have still been the Ipsy style of sales. The add-ons, the flash sales, that kind of thing. So they're going to incorporate now on Monday the boxy. I just lost it. Drop shop, the boxy drop shop on Monday. So I'll see what it says. We'll see what it's called. We'll find out then. So anyway, it should be interesting. I'm hoping it's going to be really interesting, y'all. Also, what's the month of April is Autism Awareness Month. And a bunch of us, like 24 channels or thereabouts, might be a little less, might be a little more, are involved in a collab. And what we're trying to do is 6 channels per Monday coming out with videos. So I was in the first batch, which was April 3rd. I'll put that video below also if you haven't seen it. And what we're doing is we're talking about autism. Now, telling you what we know about it, telling you facts, maybe talking about a situation in our life with somebody in our life that has autism, that type of thing. So the host of this is Tracy and Chloe. Their channel is Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, Beauty Unboxing and Beauty Box Unboxing and More. I apologize, Tracy, if I got that wrong. I don't have that list right in front of me. I should. I have a big list of names. Hang on. I do want to tell you all the channels that I know of that are in it. All the ones that are in it as of this moment. Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More. They are the host of this. And please go see their video. And because Chloe is a young lady and she has autism, and she talks very frank about how she feels about it and how she feels about others around her and how others around her feel about her. She's very honest about how it affects her. And in Monday's group from April 3rd also is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. And Amber has Noah. Noah is her son, and he has autism, and she talks about it. And her video was really great of him starting school for the first time. Kim's Happy Place was on Monday's video. Life with Christine. And Teresa Starship. Teresa Starship is on the spectrum. I didn't know that before Monday. I didn't know that. And me. The 6 of us did our videos April 3rd. I will put all of their channels below so you can go and see their videos and support them in this fantastic collab about autism awareness. And now on Monday, April 10th, the videos that should be coming out are Katie's Corner of the World, Beauty After 50, which is Gloria, JM Unboxing and More, which is Johanna, and Johanna has Gabby, and Gabby has autism. And then Glitzy Jen, Emily D, and I Martinez. So those 6 channels will be coming out on Monday with their videos. And I also will mention this in my Mask Monday, and I'll put their channel. I'm going to put all of these channels in tonight's description. So you can find all of the channels for the whole entire collab of everybody that I know that's in it as of this point. And then what I'd like y'all to go see all the channels. You don't have to for any reason. Some of us are doing giveaways. My giveaway, you do not have to be subscribed to all 24 channels because that just would be too difficult. But you will learn. I am learning a lot. You will learn a lot if you go watch these videos. This is my 3rd year involved in this collab, and I'm still learning things. And I will, my whole life, for the rest of my life, I'll be learning things about autism because there's just so much to learn, and every person that has autism is individual and has their own thing going on. So it's very, very interesting. So I hope that y'all will go and see all of these channels. And April 17th, all right, yeah, I'll just mention right quick the other 12 channels, and I'll put them below. But April, I'm not going to go on about them because there's just, I will do that in further Mondays and Fridays, okay, to tell you more about the channels, okay. April 17th is Lori's Life, Bonnie's Bargains, Beautifying MZ, Chelsea K's Creations, Simply Southern Belle's Vlogs, and Unique Beauty. And April 24th is Faye Blanchard, Single Mom Review, Real Lady Electrician, Taylor Marie's Journey, The C, which is CEE, and Sweet and Sassy Sarah. So I'll put everybody in the description for you to find them. And they do have, you know, we all have channels. So you can go and watch us before these autism videos are out. If you don't know these channels and you want to learn some more about new channels, go check them out. But the dates that I gave you are when they will have their autism video available. Okay, so right now it's just the April 3rd group. And again, I'll put them in the description. And like I said, some of us are having giveaways. So then I also have my Fab Fit Fun Mystery Bundle Battle going on with Johanna from Jam Unboxing and More. That's going on now, so go check that out. And my Treasure Trove giveaway is always going on, and that's coming to an end sometime soon. Maybe Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday-ish, somewhere around there. I can't remember exactly. And I've had a couple other giveaways end, and I've got new things coming up. I have a new collab coming up next weekend. So lots to do, y'all. Lots to do and lots to talk about and lots to tell you all about. And I have something for the bonus gift if you are following the Treasure Trove. And I think this is pronounced DEW. It's DIEUX. These are Forever Eye Masks is what it's called, okay? This is a fabulous little tin. And when you open it up, this is what's inside. It's a plastic with these silicone eye masks. Eye masks. So I have not used them. I haven't touched them. They are silicone. And what you're supposed to do is, there are instructions on them. You put on the eye cream that you like. Okay, wash your face, just as if you're going to do regular eye masks. Here comes Smudge. You'll clean your face, and then you'll put on your serum or your eye cream, whatever you use, whatever you like, and then you'll put these on. And you'll leave these on for, it says up to 10 minutes. So it just will help that seep in, but it's a nice tin. I'll put that in there. You can even put your, most eye creams are rather small. Okay, Smudge, you can probably fit it into this nice little tin. So that, okay, is a bonus item. Thank you, Smudge. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to go. So y'all have a great weekend. Happy Easter. Happy holiday, whatever holiday you celebrate. And just, you know, have a good time if you can. Lots of things blooming here. I'm sure that's happening in a lot of places. I know there's still snow, y'all. It's been a winter. So maybe spring is coming soon, we hope. And y'all just take care of yourself and stay well and count your blessings. And I hope to see you soon. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye. Smudge, you want to look at everybody and say hey? And here's Blue is here too. Hey, Blue. Bye, y'all.